Yay, we're still in Costa Rica, guys. And let me tell you, we've only been to a few places, but I'm already loving this country. We're coming from Manuel Antonio, and if you saw our other video, we made a stop at Jaco Beach. And also to the Crocodile Bridge where we saw some giant crocodiles. These are some great things to do when you come to Costa Rica. And today we're taking you to the beautiful Isla Tortuga. And we're gonna take this boat ride from Montezuma. Here's a little preview of this beautiful city.
Montezuma was so fun, don't forget to check out our channel for that new video. But now we're gonna tell you all about Isla Tortuga. It's a 45-minute boat ride from Montezuma. And if you are new here, we are those Bros family who travel around California and the world. And these days we are in Costa Rica in this beautiful island named Isla Tortuga. This place is one of the top do's when you come to Costa Rica for us. So let's tell you all about it.
There's a few companies that you can do the Isla Tortuga tour here in Montezuma. And we decided to go with Blue Line because we found the best deal. These guys were cool and they gave us a good deal for a big group. Make sure to shop around, but we really recommend Blue Line. Prices for children were $40 to $45 and $60 to $65 per adult. After they give you a quick intro, we are ready to go to the boats. This is really exciting, guys. Can't wait to be in the island.
Montezuma is a really cool town, guys. Make sure to check out our other video on things to do in Montezuma town.
We had some great pizza for dinner here.
Yes, that was pretty good, my boy. And now, once you get to the beach, the staff member will get you all together and tell you all the info that you need to know and introduce the crew that will take you to Isla Tortuga. And remember, guys, if this video is being any help to you, please consider subscribing and liking the video so we can make more adventures for you.
It's free and it will tremendously help our channel grow. Once they let you know who your crew is, they will proceed to get you on the boat. And we were lucky because out of everybody, we got the big kahuna boat. This is one of the biggest boats in the Blue Line and it looked pretty fast.
This boat was amazing, and the Blue Line crew that we had was great. Kudos to these guys. They get a 5-star rating. And it was so great to have this boat all to ourselves. The boat was really fast, and the guys from Blue Line were telling us stories about the area along the way.
They were telling us all about the cascades, the beaches, and the places around. And also about this really cool tree that is like right on the ocean and it has a little flag from Costa Rica right on the top. They were telling us that at night it lights up and that it was another great thing to come see. And as we were getting closer to the island, you could see it was really beautiful. And the kids were getting excited to do some snorkeling here.
That's right, little cousin and I were ready to go. And it was so cool to come on this speedboat. We loved the adrenaline of the speed. And we were finally arriving at the snorkeling spot. And remember, snorkeling is optional. If you don't want to do snorkeling, you can stay on the boat and keep enjoying the refreshments.
And this was a perfect time to try out our new snorkeling gear masks. We used to use a full face mask, but this was a new style and we wanted to try it. We know some people don't like the full face mask like we use in Hawaii. But this is a great option for you because it doesn't cover your mouth. We'll send the link in the description for you guys to check it out. Now Dos Bros is going snorkeling. By the way, guys, this water was super cold. And check it out, guys, so beautiful here, so many fishes. And the variety is amazing. Alright guys, let's go snorkeling. Dos Bros, here we go.
There were so many fishes in here and the masks were working great. It was kind of nice to come out of the water and be able to talk. And while we were snorkeling, little Cuz was having fun of his own on the boat.
Alright, time for little sis to take a dip. She was also trying our new snorkeling masks. They really were great, guys. You have to check them out in the video description.
Oh my god, bro, you were right. The water is really cold. But look at all the beautiful fishies. They are all around me. But now let's see where's Nemo.
Snorkeling in Isla Tortuga was a great experience. We totally recommend it, but if you don't want to, you can always stay in the boat. This part of the trip is completely optional. And also, if you don't have some gear, they have some for you. Alright guys, this was fun, but now it's time to head to the island.
And on our way to the island beach, the Blue Line crew were telling us why the island was named Isla Tortuga.
Nice little fact that a lot of people don't know.
But first we're going to tell you the story about this rock with the little arch. They named this rock Rainbow Rock because, as you could see at the top of the rock, there are trees that bloom beautiful flowers at a point in time of the year, with different colors making it look like a rainbow.
And one of the crew members said that if you pass on one side of this rock, it means you're gonna have good luck with your partner, and if you pass from the other, it's gonna mean divorce. There are so many fun things to do here at Isla Tortuga, and one of them is that you can also rent a jet ski and just go around the island. And check it out, guys. On our way to the beach of the island, we find this guy that is selling some seafood that when it means fresh, it's fresh.
And this guy was preparing some delicious fresh oysters. They look so good and we had to try some. He also has some other choices in the cooler, but we went for the oysters.
Oh man, that's looking good. And I always support the local guys every time you guys come over here to Isla Tortuga.
And there goes Theo enjoying those fresh oysters.
And this is how Isla Tortuga got its name. Some people say because one of the islands looks like a turtle from the top.
And this might be a question from one of the locals, so if you're a local watching this video, let us know in the comments what's true. Because the staff member from our boat said that it's because there's a rock that looks like a turtle on the island. Or was because the head fell off.
And the crew was getting us ready to get to the shore. Isla Tortuga is one of the best places you can come and visit at Costa Rica. It's almost like the Caribbean.
The island looks amazing and you can see all the fun stuff from here that you can do when you're in Isla Tortuga.
It's a white sand island with turquoise water. And like we said, there's many ways to come to the island. You can go with the Zuma tours or the catamaran. You can also go like us and come with Blue Line. We decided to take the trip from Montezuma for 2 reasons. 1, because it's closer, and 2, because it's cheaper. Because depending on where you are in Costa Rica, this trip can cost you around $100. While in Montezuma, sometimes it's half that price.
Isla Tortuga really is paradise. Imagine yourself just laying here, taking a bath of sun, just relaxing, and looking up and just having this view. Oh yeah, it just makes me want to go back. Another great thing that you can do here in Isla Tortuga is the Eco Trail. This is a trail that takes you up the island to some beautiful views. This is not included in your tour, but it's only $5 per person. The island also has restrooms that you can use here for your convenience. They were nice and clean to use.
Fee to use is $1.
Things that you need to bring for sure here to the island is a towel, sunscreen, glasses, a hat, and water shoes. But if you're missing anything, there's always a store in the island where you can get all these items here. They also have souvenirs that you can get here. So if you forgot anything, don't worry, they have it here. And here are some of the activities that you can do here. You can do kayak, paddleboarding, you can go snorkeling, rent a jet ski, or do the banana.
And here's a snapshot of things you can do here in Isla Tortuga. And don't worry if you don't have enough people to go on the banana. They have a sign-up sheet for you to go sign yourself up so that when they have enough people to go on the banana, they will call you up to come have some fun. And the Blue Line crew was great. They did not only bring drinks in the cooler, but they also brought pineapple and watermelon. Perfect for this hot day in paradise. Pura vida.
And for the grown-ups, you have the Coco Locos. This is a famous drink right here in La Isla Tortuga. These Coco Locos are fresh and they add some rum to make it a tropical drink. It seems to be one of the people's favorite here. And there's another drink that they do with pineapple, and the same thing as the Coco Loco, they add your favorite rum, vodka, or favorite drink. And personally, I like these ones better. They were so good. So if you come to Isla Tortuga, make sure to try one of these. And I gotta go now because wifey is waiting for one of these now. She's waiting for one of these right now. She's probably like, where's my drink? But seriously, guys, when you guys come here, you guys need to try one of these. Go sit in your chair and just relax right in front of the beach. And have a taste of what Pura Vida is here in Isla Tortuga.
This was a nice and refreshing drink to enjoy sitting in my chair watching the beautiful views. And by the way, to use these chairs, you have to pay $7 to use it for the whole day. People were just having a great time here in these turquoise waters. You don't really get big waves here, so it's almost like a giant pool. And we had fun watching these guys try to build a human tower. Let's see if they can do it. First attempt to fail. Let's go, guys. You guys can do it. Second attempt. This was so much fun to watch. Come on, guys. You guys can do it.
The human towers are pretty popular in Spain, especially in Catalonia. They make some crazy tall towers in there, especially in Barcelona. And all right, there you go, the last guy. Can he make it to the top now? There he goes. Is he gonna make it? There you go. All right, he made it. That's what it's all about, guys, when you're on vacation. Just pura vida, having fun.
As part of the tour, refreshments are included on the boat, and the cooler with the refreshments is brought down to the island so you can keep enjoying them while you're on the beach. There's a limited amount, but don't worry, you can always buy some when you're there. Also, as part of the tour, the Blue Line brings their own cook. And you have 3 options: chicken, fish, or vegan. And props to the chef because the food was delicious. And to see if Blue Line is a Dos Bros recommendation, let's ask Big Bro.
Is that good, buddy? Yeah. And what does Dos Bros cousin has to say? Good, huh?
Normally the trip to Isla Tortuga is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. But it varies. But normally take this as a full day thing to do. And here it comes, our speedboat is here, and right on time to take us back to Montezuma to have more fun. And don't forget to check out our video on that too. Great things to do in Montezuma City. We had a great time here in Isla Tortuga. Don't forget to hit the like button and hope to see you on the subscribe list. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future adventures. Because we are on our way to Santa Teresa, Samara, and Tamarindo.
Oh yeah, bros, let's go.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Dos Bros,
We out.